guys. We're out here about to go to this dog event. Win our first dog show. Corso Kennels don't show up to lose, so we about to see how this goes. If I don't win, I'll probably beat dude up in the parking lot and take the trophy. Little Grizzy out here looking purty, tired, sitting over here in the shade. We're gonna keep him in the shade until it's time to get over there and until the contest begins, you know what I mean? All these other suckers are all over there getting their dogs all hot and wore out before the contest, right? Not us. We're gonna go over there and we'll take the prize. Huh, Griselda? So yeah, we brought these two because they match and we figured we'd have a better advantage against the competition, you know what I mean? Bring the two Gucci matching Gucci freaking dogs. Huh, Super Bay?
Yes.
Yeah, they can't compete with us. Can they? Can they, Griselda? They ain't gonna be able to compete with us. What was that? Kill him. Samson's first dog show. We come to test. We're sitting over in the shade till it's time to roll. Then we're gonna go and we're coming to play for keeps. So we didn't come to lose, but it's over there. Wait till you guys see what's up in a minute. Say hi, Griselda. Griselda, say hi. Samson's entering today. Griselda's just here for moral support. Samson's gonna go out there. He's 5 months now, so we're taking his ass in there. He better win us something. If he don't, you guys hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you want him or not. Because if he can't win a show right now, then he ain't worth nothing to me. Know what I'm saying? Huh, Super Bay, no? That's right? All right, how much? We'll give them to you on a discount if we lose today. Super Bay says we're supposed to just be doing this for fun, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I thought we came to win. We winning. If we gotta bribe the judges, we win. You know what I mean? I'm gonna slip a little dub to him or something.
Well, you're biting their tail. All right.
Hey. All right, wait till you see these ridiculous costumes we got. We're saving them until it's time to go. Oh yeah, it's just a costume contest in the middle of summer. Hella stupid, but we're coming to win no matter what.
Okay, I need you in the picture with me.
Amar, you can get a picture of the dog.
I like your shirt with your dog, but okay. Oh, look at you, guys. Good use of a life vest. I like it. Very cool.
We're ruining of it.
I didn't forget you.
We're hanging out in the shade over here next to this tent until the party begins. We may have a problem.
We're going to be kind of facing towards the parking lot.
Of this guy.
And again, the costume categories for America's Next Top Dog are going to be the People's Choice Canine and our Prettiest Pooch. Everybody will be receiving a plaque for all of our award winners.
So they know each other, I think.
All right.
Hey.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Nice.
We need a picture.
Yeah, let's get a picture going.
Come here, Samson.
Okay,
You got it?
We're gonna need all your guys' help.
Thank you. You want me to hold it?
Yeah.
That's great.
Last category.
Well, I would think that one was most original.
It was pretty original.
This is going to be for the overall best costume.
Almost done.
Let's go, Chief.
Thank you.
Good job, Chief. Good job.
All right. Okay. Right here. Okay. And one more. Okay. I think we're torn between like the first and last here. So one more time. And one more. Here's my hand. All right. Okay. I think tough one. There we go. There you go. And Mary will get your picture.
Good job, Chief. Chief stole a win. All right, so Samson got, what'd he get? Most original canine. Chief stole the show over there. We tried. Zelda's all mad because she didn't win nothing. All right, guys, look at this English Mastiff. This guy is huge. And maybe, I know that cameras don't show depth, but trust me, he's bigger than any Corso. And he's 16 months. Sheesh. All right, guys, I ain't gonna lie. I think it was rigged. Know what I mean? How did we not win? I'm pretty sure it was rigged. Most original canine. And Grizzy didn't win nothing, so here's the deal, man. Grizzy didn't win the show, so if you guys want Grizzy, let me know. I'll give it to you on discount. You know what I mean? So you guys just let me know. It's been fun.
Like 10 minutes before.
Yep. It was rigged. They have bags on location. No, no, I'm saying it was rigged, you guys. Super Bay was telling me, man, that lady's got a bag over near that tent. And then they went over and they went near the bag and then boom, she broke out all that stuff. So, you know what I mean? I don't know if it was fair or not, but she was fully decked out. We tried. Hopefully this video does all right, you know. And you know, we kind of knew it was rigged right off the bat. You know what I mean? Because the first one won, what was it? Cutest pup or something? Prettiest pup. Y'all seen the pup? I don't know. They're basically calling my dog ugly then. You know what I mean? They said I got the ugliest pups. That's what they said. I mean, you guys seen the competition. You let us know what you think. You know what I mean? What do you think, Super Bay? You think we should have won it? Well, we did win. I mean, we're the most original. We all know that, though.
I know you were right.
I hold that trophy anyway. Most original, what the hell?
That's right.
That's a given. But Chief, that was bull on. Chief rolling up. Chief rolling up, that was baloney. But you know what? You gotta be all in to win, right? So maybe that'll be our lesson, our, what is it, learning lesson, Super Bay? That if you ain't fully prepared, you might lose. You know what I mean? So back to the training board. We're gonna go back, we're gonna do some push-ups. We're gonna get ready for the next one, you know what I'm saying? Corso Kennels, we got the beast, baby. On the other hand, we did some socialization with the dogs, you know what I mean? And Griselda did great. She didn't bite nobody's face off. So we were stoked about that because my dogs hang out more with their pack than they do other dogs. So every now and then I gotta remember to take these beasts out and socialize them a little bit, because the last thing I want is a freak dog all mad at every dog it sees. I don't care about that. I just want them to eat tweakers and thieves. I don't care about dogs. Huh, Super Babe? Just eat the bad guys. As a matter of fact, just because we felt robbed and that whole thing was rigged, we're gonna have to come to a dog park and bring the scary dogs to the dog park and watch all the other owners get all uptight. What do you think, Super Babe? You're not gonna bring that dog in, right? That's what we got told at this same dog park when we brought Big Kane, remember?
Yes.
And the lady followed us down the fence and said, you're not gonna bring him in, right? Just like that funny video. The little guy, he's gonna be all over. Big glue. Look, Super Bay, the tree's bent over that way. So there must mean that there's water over in that direction, huh? Pee on it. Well, the dogs have been real good. No dog fights. That's a bonus. I think we could probably trust Griselda out now around other doggies. We did it last time and she was fine till one dog growled at her, then she was a jerk the rest of the day. This is an alright dog park. They should have water here though. There's no water, so it sucks. What? Hey, look. Did anybody see? My dog took a poop over there and I'm not gonna pick it up. I refuse, because Corso fertilizer is the best fertilizer. It's really good for the environment. So don't listen to what people say. If you pick up your poop, your Corso poop, you're a coward. No, man. Don't pick up the Corso poop. It helps the environment. Sam's. Super Bay. Super Bay, if you walk that way with the dogs and I record you from behind, I could probably use that as the what do they call it? The photo, right? No, man, the cover photo or whatever, right? So take off that way, and then I'll just catch a little bit of you walking back, you know, from behind, and then I'll get a lot of views, Super Bay. That's what everybody else does,
I know.
besides a couple people. You know what I mean? Don't talk smack.
You can't.
Well, then here, Super Bay. Here, you hold the phone and you record me and I'll do it. We need more views. Super Bay. We may need to go back over there because we're being antisocial. There's like nobody over here. Oh guys, there's a killer dog. Watch out, it's super mean. Oh. Hey, Samson, mind your own business. You don't want no part of that. Come on, Samson. All right, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for puppies. Dea will be the next one in line, the black female over there. Should be going in heat this summer. We'll see what happens.